You know you did. No, you didn't go all the way there.
I'll get in here, man. I'll get in here, what's that called outside? Newspaper.
Oh, it's Sunday.
Oh, the newspaper.
Okay.
Where you going, Khalil? What did the note say?
In one of the green boxes in front, in the front room. It's my first name.
One of the green boxes.
Yeah. In here. No. In here. Yep.
There you go. Second try.
Wow, this is a lot of glue. It says, this one looks very fragile. It says, upstairs now, look in your closet.
Okay, open that box.
Very fragile. Oh, yes. I'm going to get so many things today. I'm going to get this.
Let me see that.
Where is it? I've been talking about that since, about 3 months.
Where's the clue?
It says the clue is what is it?
Did you ball it up with the paper?
Oh, I didn't ball it up though. Still straight. Upstairs now. Look in your closet.